bills. I want makeup. Okay. What do you call the lips? Red. How about pink? How about you? I don't know. How about red? I like orange. How about you? What should I do? You're brown. How about brown? Oh, you mean something cute? Yes. Salamat sa mother. Yes, ako hala. Sobrang nakaganda eh. Bakit siya maganda? Ano gagawin natin siya maganda kung babae? Nagagawa ako, magaling ako. Magagawa ko yung shadow. Bye bye. Tingnan mo lang. Ito na nga.